Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. Two identical sample have same material and same amount. P and Q radioactive is of the substance having mean life T are observed then the activities AP and AQ respectively. Then at the time of observation, if the P is greater than U, then the difference of the there is this. Yes. So we can write this as AP and AQ are the activities of these two. AP and Q is the activities of these two. हम जानते हैं कि एक्टिविटी कैसे लिखते हैं. सपोज दैट एक्टिविटी इज लैम्डा इनटू n times number of nuclei at a time t. Okay, so we can write this as a number of nuclei like this, because lambda will be same for these two, because lambda is a material based property. So lambda into n, this is e raised to the power minus lambda into t, or into initial amount. Suppose that initial nuclei are n and the same material and same amount. Initially they have same amount. Let's call this n. So you can write this as ap. So ap is equals to lambda times basically lambda times n into e raised to the power minus lambda into tp, and aq is equals to lambda times into same amount at the initial time, and lambda is a decay constant, so into tq. If we divide these two equations, then equation 2 is this and equation 1 is this. Equation 1 is this. Achha, equation second divide by equation first. So aq by ap is basically lambda times n into e raised to the power minus lambda into tq, lambda times n into e raised to the power minus lambda into tq. No, sorry, tp. Yeah. So we can write this as aq upon ap is equals to lambda and will get cancel over. So because they are same, so यहाँ से हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, e raised to the power, ये lambda p जाके ऊपर ऐड हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ से क्या लिख सकते हैं अपन लोग, क्या कि लैम्डा को कॉमन ले लीजिए एंड लिख सकते हैं क्या, टीपी माइनस क्या टीक्यू. या अब ln दोनों साइड ln ले लेंगे तो ln इज है ना, ln ए क्यू बाई ए पी इज इक्वल्स टू, अब यहाँ पे ln लेंगे तो ये क्या नीचे आ जाएगा, ई ln ई वन, तो लैम्डा टाइम्स टीपी माइनस टी क्यू. ओके, सो यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा अपना लैम्डा, अपना TP minus TQ, because P is older than Q. So TP minus TQ will be positive and time will always remains in positive. So 1 by lambda times ln, यहाँ से ln AQ upon AP. Yeah, basically 1 upon lambda is nothing but is equals to mean life. So I can remove from here 1 by lambda equals to t, and aq is here. So this is the age difference. So this is matching with the option B. So option B is the correct answer. So best of luck.